Hello, I am your storyteller. Today's story is from Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 3. The title of this book is Nobody Wanted to Play. Wilf was cross. Nobody wanted to play. He went to the park. Wilf played on the rocket. I am a spaceman, he said. He played on the seesaw. I am a juggler, he said. He played on the horse. I am a cowboy, he said. He climbed up the ladder. I am a fireman, he said. He climbed on the wall. I am a Spider-Man, he said. He played on his bicycle. I am a stuntman, he said. Oops! This is the end of the story. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.